Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see one issue regarding a Wi-Fi on an iPhone. So guys, the issue is that, basically whenever I was trying to connect a Wi-Fi network at home, that time suddenly my iPhone was opening a browser, that is your captive.apple.com. That's a website or web page, and suddenly this issue was happening, that is your error opening page. So basically it's an login page for a Wi-Fi network. So it is my regular Wi-Fi, it is my already existing Wi-Fi at home. So why it is happening, and it should not be happening on my regular Wi-Fi network at home. So do one thing, go to your settings. Okay, to fix this, go to your settings and here go to Wi-Fi, and whichever network is that, at the side there will be a eye icon. Okay, just go ahead and tap on eye icon. Once you tap on that, here is your entire Wi-Fi network, and here if you see, there is a password. Also there is an option called auto join, and below auto join there will be another option, that is your auto login. So sometimes it won't be there on all the iPhones, but for a Wi-Fi network to whom or to which you are using a logins, there it will surely be having a option called auto login. Just go ahead and disable that. Once you disable that, automatically it will stop showing you the login page on your iPhone whenever you are trying to connect a Wi-Fi network with this network, same network on your iPhone. So guys, that's it, a simple step. Just disable auto login and it will be solved. That's how I fix my issue on my iPhone. I hope it will fix you for you as well. So guys, that's it. I hope it helped you, and if yes, then please like the video and please subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.